Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be talking about animateoldphotos.org. It's a website where you can put your old fashioned photographs and you can animate them using AI. Okay, so this particular one is claiming to use the Kling AI technology. So animate old photos online with Kling AI technology, create vivid videos and bring old stories to life. So we all know, like some of you guys might know, the Kling AI software. I already covered this one a number of times in my channel. So they're using this particular technology to bring those videos, those old photos, and to animate those. Okay, so it's quite interesting, you know. So all of us have some sort of photos, like old-fashioned photos, and we might be interested. Okay, so what we can do actually to animate those, right? So it might be interesting just to go and try it. For the moment, okay, let's go and I'll pricing about the pricing. Okay, so okay, let me have a look now. We've implemented a credit system due to the high demand, but don't worry, 63 old photo animations per day, no login required, first come first serve. Okay, so I'm just going to see how it works. Okay, so yeah, I will be pasting some image here and I will see if I can use it for free without needing to get into the login. Like, okay, so you know what, I'm gonna log out and see how it works without it being logged in. Okay, so and also they informing us that during the peak times, animating your old photos might take between 5 and 60 minutes. That's a long time, but anyway, and the processing time for priority queues is 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, so that's for you just to know. I'll be waiting for some time to see if it's working. If it's not, I will just let you know that it didn't work within the next few minutes, and I will leave it with you guys to decide if you want to go ahead and check it. Okay, so yeah, let's go back to the pricing. So pricing, the one-time payment on monthly subscriptions, okay, and for the monthly subscriptions is 50 cents per credit. On 8 credits for $5, that's on the discount, and that's no recurring. 20 credits for $9.99, 30 credits for $14.99, and maximum upload size is 4 megabytes. Support for local clipper image uploads, one monthly validity, access to advanced adjusted parameters, and here the same, but the thing is that one credit, I believe it's one image to be animated. Okay, so this is something which I believe it is like their pricing structure. Okay, so uh, but now let's go and see how some of those images have been animated. Okay, animate old photos tool makes old storage live. Okay, so here's the photo and here's the animation of that photo, and I think that it did a very good job doing this to bringing that photo into life. So okay, let me see. This one is also, it's the animation looks pretty amazing, doesn't it? Okay, so here we go. I think that's quite interesting what they actually offering via this animate old photos website. Okay, you gotta animate photos, creative prompt templates, image enhancement, restoration. That's all coming soon. Colorized black and white photos, personalized background music, multimodal integration, and that's all coming into that's coming soon. But this animate photo is available right now. Here you go. Some of those videos are quite amazing, isn't it? I think, guys, that's something you might want to go and try it. Okay, to here go animate old photos changelog, stay up to date with the latest development and new features. Animate old photos, here you go, so you can go and read it yourself. But now I just want to see if that's what they claiming is really what they offering. Okay, so I'm gonna choose some of the some photo and I will drop it in and I'll come back shortly. Okay, so I got this photo here, right? I didn't have a like an old-fashioned photo, but this is also a photo, and it's been kept in like a old-fashioned way, you know. So I think that will do the job. Okay, we can also put some optional prompt here if we want us to do so, but I think I leave it blank, and I'll just create photo to video, and you reach the day limit of free credits for your community. To continue animating photos, please log in and recharge your account. Recharge your account. right. Okay, so they claiming that you can actually do some sort of credits for free, but they are not. Okay, so to start using this software, you have to start paying, and that's a pity because I want to go. I'm not gonna to pay them anything because I'm not using this software so often that I want to actually give them a money. Okay, I just want to give them some sort of, just to let you know that this is available, and I was hoping to get at least one credit so I can show you guys. And if you guys are interested, you can jump into the software itself and start using it, and who knows, maybe even paying for it. Okay, but it's a pity they are not offering any sort of free credits. So for the moment, I wouldn't be able to show you what's the final result would be. Okay, but anyway, guys, animateallphotos.org, that's the website. I encourage you to go ahead and try it yourself. Okay, if you want to go and try it, but bear in mind you just have to pay them first before you can start that. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you like that, please hit the like button. If you got any comments, just leave it below. Any questions, as I said, just leave it below. And if you can subscribe to my channel, would be much appreciated. Thank you very much for